Welcome to Appalachian Driven, and today we're going to see if we can see how this car holds up in the snow. There's probably about an inch on the ground right now, and this car is rear-wheel drive, so it's going to be interesting. All right, let's get some footage. Hopefully this camera is placed good, but let's see what happens. All right, listen, we're gonna try to make it to the main road. Hopefully we can. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, man. Being in a rear-wheel drive car is definitely not the best idea, but it's gonna make for a pretty cool video. I mean, it's coming down right now. It's a little bit sketchy. So far, I mean, the car, it's doing pretty good in the snow. It's not having too much of a problem. You know, if you have a heavy car, even if it's rear-wheel drive, you can drive in conditions, you know, if you just take your time and things like that. You can have fun in the snow as long as, you know, no one's around and you take your time, you have, you know, decent experience driving. You know, I think you'll be okay. So far this car has impressed me. I mean, the car is really only spinning out when I want it to spin out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the horsepower numbers up too, just to give you all something to look at to see how much throttle I'm using. See, like also another thing, when you pull out in this thing, you're gonna spin at first, but you just need to make it on the road and then you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it back into Sport Plus just to have a little bit of traction right now. It's moving along pretty good right now, not much of an issue. Also, another thing is I don't like staying around much traffic, so I'm just trying to kind of make it up through here. Oh, I'm sliding pretty good right there. I might have to turn right here because I don't want to get stuck sitting at a red light, but it might turn green. All right, we're balling, picking up a little speed now. How's it looking back there?
Sexy, actually.
I don't even know how good y'all can see on camera right now. I can't see crap right now. I'm gonna go try to sneak over here because it's green and I don't want to stop. It makes it a little bit easier on me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take traction control back off because, I mean, all right, these roads are a little bit worse back here, so I'm gonna probably get off these. But I mean, car's still doing good so far. Ooh, a little bit of a slip there. But I mean, this is fun. I mean, driving out here, the roads, not many people on it. I'm sorry that you can't see. I don't know. I guess my windshield wipers like pretty much froze right now. I'm surprised that it's not. I guess a scraper might have came through. Yeah, I'm gonna head back over on the main road. Boys, I mean, I'm telling you, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to record because it's bad out. I'm just gonna be honest. And I mean, I don't wanna get my car stuck or anything like that, but it is kind of getting a little shady right now. My windshield wipers are not working, and it's how I can't really see out the window, and I know you can't on the GoPro. Let me pull into the car wash real quick. All right, let's try to get this windshield wiper unfroze. All right, well, that was not supposed to happen. All right, let's hope this works. All right, we're balling. Boys, I'm telling you, it's a little dicey right now. But I did fix my windshield wipers. That is a positive. Now y'all can actually see, because I mean, Lord, but it's snowing so bad right now. I'm just curious to see how the highway is going to be. You know what? We're guessing that this is the right lane. That was an accident. Y'all can't hate on the BMWs, man. They, yeah, I mean, it goes. I mean, it's going to spin, but I'll give it to it. This car is going to go. Like, that's one thing about it, man. I mean, this car is going. Man, I mean, there's nobody out right now. They're really just trying to get this main road clear, but it's coming down faster than they can get it off the road, which, I mean, it looks like the main road's getting a little bit better. It's still a little bit sketchy out. It'd be easy to mess up driving in it. I mean, all it takes is one little turn and you're toast. Ooh, I can feel the snow. This lane has quite a bit of snow on it. It's bogging down the car, and I can feel it pretty good. Oh, there's a lot of potholes over here. Now, I hope this video is a little bit entertaining. I wish I could film longer, but these conditions are just too much. I mean, it's already dangerous being out in this, but, you know, it is what it is. See, I'm struggling going right here. That was a little bit sketch. But you all can see, I mean, I'm using like no throttle right now. And it's spinning that easy. But it's for the content. So definitely make sure to like and subscribe, because we're risking our lives out here for you all. So much would be appreciated. This is insane. I didn't think we was gonna get this much, but we are getting it. We gotta go up a hill though, and that's what's gonna be the telltale part of this. Because the back tires on the car are already not that good. So that's going to be a little bit of the issue. So we're going to see what happens. I mean, they've definitely came through here and scraped this. It's not terrible. Hang on to what you got, boys. This is where it's going to be real. I need to get one wheel in traction, dude. Come on. Speed's at 29, guys. I'm glad he can go. I don't see them hitting their brakes, so that's a good sign that it might not be too bad, but I'm going to gain up a little bit of speed and we're going to go. Hey, I'm going to try to get over to the right, dude. It looks good. Oh man, it's bad out, boys. It's bad out. We gotta go down this hill too. Tragic.